Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble! Get ready to rumble!
Pump up the jam, yo, pump it up, yo, pump it.
Y'all ready for this?
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. Move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it.
Welcome to the big show.
Pump up the jam, pump it up while your feet are stumping. And the jam is pumping. Look ahead, the crowd is jumping. Pump it up a little more, get the party going on the dance floor. Because that's where the party's at, and you find out if you do that. I want a place to stay. Get your booty on the floor tonight and make my day. I want a place to stay. Get your booty on the floor tonight and make my day. Pump up the jam, pump up the jam, pump up the jam, pump up the jam, pump it up,
Dirty bit. Dirty bit. I came up in here to rock, light a fire, make it hot. I don't wanna take no pictures, I just wanna take some shots. So come on, let's go. Let's lose control. Let's do it all night till we can't do it no more. Keep on rocking to the sound, turn it up and watch it pound. We gon' rock it to the top until the roof come burning down. Yeah, it's hot in here. The temperature has got these ladies getting freaky.
I got freaky, freaky, baby. I was chillin' with my ladies. I didn't come to get bougie. I came here to get crazy. I was born to get wild. That's my style. Said you didn't know that. Well, baby, now you know now. With you, I'm telling you.
Hey, the time of my life, and I never felt this way before. And I swear this is true, and I owe it all to you.
Had the time of my life, and I never felt this way before. And I swear this is true, and I owe it all to you.
Dirty bit. Dirty bit.
All these girls, they like my swagger, they calling me Mick Jagger. I be rolling like a stone jet, set a jet lagger. We ain't messing with no maggots, messing with the baddest chicks in the club. Honey, what's up? Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the baddest of them all? Yeah, it's gotta be the Apple, I'm the Mac. Daddy, y'all haters better step back. up. I'm the party application rocking just like that.
This is International Big Mega Radio Smasher.
Cause I'm having a good time with you. I'm telling you. I had the time of my life. And I never felt this way before. And I swear this is true. And I owe it all to you.
And I never felt this way before. And I swear this is true. And I owe it to you.
Had the time of my life. And I never felt this way before. And I swear this is true. And I owe it all to you.
Dirty bit.
Gotta get that. 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 That boom boom boom. That boom boom boom. Yo, I got that hit to beat the block. You can get that bass on below. I got that rock and roll, that future flow, that digital spit, next level visual shit. I got that. How to beat back.
I like that boom boom pow. Them chickens jacking my style. They try to copy my swagger. I'm on that next shit now. I'm so 3008. You so 2000 late. I got that boom boom boom. That future boom boom boom. Let me get it now.
Gotta get that. Gotta get that. Gotta get that. Gotta get that. That that I'm on that supersonic boom. Y'all hear that spaceship? When I step inside the room, them girls go ape shit. Y'all stuck on super 8 shit. That lo-fi stupid 8-bit. I'm on that HD flat. This beat go boom boom bap.
I'm a beast when you call me on. Into the future, Cybertron. Harder, faster, better, stronger. Sexy ladies, extra longer. Cause we got to beat that bounce. We got to beat that pound. We got to beat that 808. That boom boom in your town.
People in the place. If you wanna get down, put your hands in the air. Will I am drop the beat now.
I'll be rocking them beats.
Jamie, JT. It's about time to get back hot again, man. You know I'm fresh out this thing. Let's go.
You know you're looking at a winner, winner,
I'm so
winner.
up there and so out there. You so not here. Hey, hey. You see, we so up there and we so out there.
Hey! I'm waking up in the morning, hustling to the stage and performing, muscling through the hate and busting the door. Lately nothing misses, I must have been scoring. And speaking of the misses, I'm watching them pouring. Just like a drink that I'm enjoying. And don't mean muggish, you're welcome to join. Just look at me sorry, feeling like Jordan. Hold up, I ain't finished yet. On the top, but you just don't get it yet. I don't get cut, I make them cut the check. Can't hear me in the stands, let me say it again. You ain't heard I'm the dish on the top, but you just don't get it yet. I never got cut, but I make them cut the check. So hate on, but guess what? I feel like I can't miss. I know they want me to fall, but ain't nothing bigger than this. So just pass me the ball. You know you're looking at a winner, winner, winner. I can't miss, can't do this, can't miss. You know you're looking at a winner, winner, winner. 'Cause I'm a winner, yeah, I'm a winner.
I'm stepping out in the evening, keep winning and screaming. He gotta be cheating, but I'm so breezy. I make this look easy, no faking them seasons.